Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the revision of the first chapter of Standard 10 Commerce. The name of the chapter is Stakeholder in Commercial Organization. I always told you, beta, whenever you are going to learn a chapter, first you must understand the meaning of the chapter. If the meaning of the chapter is clear to you, at least 20% of the learning is over. If you understand the meaning of the chapter, this is very important. So here you can see there is three main words are there. One is stakeholder, the next one is commercial, and the third one is organizations. So you must know the meaning of first stakeholder, then you must know what is commercial, and then you must know what is organizations. First I am coming, what do you mean by the stakeholder? The stakeholders are those, it might be an individual, it might be a group of people, it might be an institutions who has a stake. Stake means interest for the betterment or the upliftment of any organization. Those are called stakeholders. One more, who is a stakeholder? A stakeholder might be an individual, a stakeholder might be a group, a stakeholder might be an institutions, those who have the interest for the betterment and upliftment of an organizations, they are called the stakeholder. Any organization, it can be a non-commercial organization, it can be a commercial organizations. But here we are going to discuss about the commercial organizations. Now what is commercial organization? First you know the meaning of organizations. Organizations means where a group of people have the same motive. That is basically called an organization. And what is commercial? Here the group of people has the same motive. What is the motive? Their motive is to earn money. Their motive is to earn profit. So that type of organizations are called commercial organizations. Okay, I hope I made it clear which stakeholder. Stakeholders are those individual, group or institution, those who have an interest or those who have a stake for the betterment or upliftment of an organizations, they are called the stakeholder. And you know what is commercial organization? Commercial organizations are those organizations where a group of people work together for the same aim. And what is their aim? Same aim or same objective or same goal. What is their goal? Their goal is to earn money. Okay, I hope it is clear. So meaning of stakeholder is clear. Now the stakeholder of an organization are of two types. Please understand it. One is called internal stakeholder, one is called external stakeholder. Now what is internal stakeholder and what is external stakeholder? Like if I give you the example of our school. In our school, there are so many people, there are so many businessmen, those who are interested about the betterment and upliftment of our school. Like if I give you the example, like as a students, what you want? You want that our school should do better and better every day. Okay, good facilities should be given to us. Similarly, the teachers, those who are working in the school, the staff, those who are working in the school, they also want the betterment and upliftment of the school. Why? If the school is have the betterment and upliftment, they are also going to get some facilities from the school. On the other hand, the businessmen of McLexiganj, what they want? They also want the school should grow day by day. If the school grow, number of students will grow, increase. When the number of students will increase, their business will also increase, their hostel business, their other business, whatever they are running, the business, that will also increase. On the other hand, your parents, what is their interest? Their interest, school जब अच्छा रहेगा तो क्या होगा, मेरा बेटा अच्छा स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है, अच्छा फैसिलिटीज मिल रहा है. So everyone is interested. But what you have noticed here, there are someone, those who are working inside the organizations and they are taking active part into the day-to-day work of the organization, they are called internal stakeholder. Like if I give the example of the school, the students, the teachers, the fourth grade staff, those who are there, they are taking active part into day-to-day work of the organizations or not. That is why they are called internal stakeholder. On the other hand, your parents, the businessmen of McLexiganj, the society of McLexiganj, they are also interested the school should grow, but they are not taking active part into day-to-day functioning of the organizations. That is why they are called external stakeholder. So I had given you the common example to explain you. Now I am explaining according to the commercial term. What is internal stakeholder? Internal stakeholders are those who are taking active part into the day-to-day activities of the organizations from inside the organizations. They are called internal stakeholder. And in an organization, the internal stakeholders are employers, employees, and the shareholders, okay, or the managers. Why? Employers means जो नौकरी दिया है मालिक, shareholders who contribute the capital to the organizations, and employee like हम और तुम जो काम कर रहे हैं, these all are from inside the organization and they are taking active part. That is why they are called internal stakeholder. On the other hand, external stakeholders are those who are not taking active part into the day-to-day functioning of the organizations, but they are interested for the betterment and upliftment of the organization from outside. They are not taking active part in day-to-day functioning. They are called external stakeholder. Who are the external stakeholder? The supplier, the government, the society. Okay? Why? Because the government is not taking active part. The society is not taking active part. The suppliers are not taking active part in day-to-day functions, but they also want the organization should grow because they are also going to get the benefit from it. They are called external stakeholder. So I told you who are called internal stakeholder, who are called external stakeholder. Okay, I hope it is clear to you who are internal, who are external stakeholder. Now I am going to discuss the second thing, difference between stakeholders and shareholders. Please understand, difference between stakeholders and shareholders. First thing, who are the shareholder? Shareholders are internal stakeholder. Because why? Because they are contributing the capital for the organizations in the form of share. So that is why shareholders are called the internal stakeholder of an organizations. Okay, so I am going to discuss the difference. Only I am telling you point of distinction. First you come term. What you give? You can say stakeholder is a wide term. Why wide term? Because stakeholder includes the internal stakeholder, external stakeholder, all those together is called the stakeholder. That is a wide term. Both आदमी को समझाया है. On the other hand, shareholder is a narrow term. Why? Shareholders means we are only talking about a kind of internal stakeholder. Do you follow? That is what is called a narrow term. So your differences, stakeholder is a wider term, shareholder is a narrow term. Now capital contribution. Here you can write all the stakeholder does not contribute capital to the organizations, but all the shareholders are contributed capital to the commercial organizations. Why here? Because like an employer, I am working for Don Bosco Academy. I have never given any capital to the Don Bosco Academy. I am talking monetary capital is not contributed by me. But on the other hand, so I am also an internal stakeholder, but I never contribute the capital. Who contribute the capital? In the beginning, might be Sir Rosario has contributed the capital in the beginning. He is our owner. Okay, he is also internal stakeholder. So what you notice? All the internal stakeholder never contribute capital to the organization, but shareholder contribute capital to the organization. Now coming associate with. Stakeholder is associated with every kind of business, whether it is a partnership, whether it is private ownership, whether it is a sole proprietorship. Everywhere the word, what I tell you, stakeholder is there. What is stakeholder? Anyone who is interested for the betterment and upliftment of the organization, they are called stakeholder or not. So stakeholder is associated with each and every kind of organization. On the other hand, shareholder is only related to joint stock company. Shareholder is only related to joint stock company. Now the last point, risk. All the stakeholder doesn't bear the risk of loss. Like I'm Don Bosco Academy, I'm working. If Don Bosco Academy has any loss, I am not going to bear the loss. The loss will be bear by the internal stakeholder. The owner will only bear the loss, or the shareholder is going to bear the loss. But as an employee, I am not going to bear the loss. That is why I said risk of all the stakeholders is not high. On the other hand, risk of shareholder is high, because if there is a loss, that loss has to bear by the shareholders. So today I have discussed only these things. I discussed the meaning of stakeholder. I discussed what is the meaning of internal stakeholder, what is the meaning of external stakeholder. I had given you the example of internal stakeholder and the external stakeholder, and I discussed the difference between stakeholder and shareholder. I hope it is very much clear to you. It was taught to you earlier also. Now I made it clear to you. Now what is the homework for today? Learn the meaning of internal and external stakeholder. Learn the meaning of internal and external stakeholder. And point number 2, question number 2, learn the differences between stakeholder and shareholder. Stakeholder and shareholder. Tomorrow I am going to discuss about the expectation or features of stakeholder. When it will come point wise, I will discuss it. Thank you. Please study seriously. Thank you. Thank you so much.